Hello everybody, this is Dr. Kevin Blumenthal at Natural Transplants. I'm the senior physician of the Maryland practice, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about one of the most common questions that we get in our practice, and that is, what is this HUE technique? Patients are familiar with the FUT, the strip, as well as the FUE procedure, but not familiar with this HUE. Well, what it stands for is high yield unit extraction. And in essence, it's our version of the FUT or the strip method. By using our methods, our tools, and the way we do things, we feel we have developed the best way to maximize the amount of hairs to get the best results. So it basically encompasses two things. The first is the tools we use and the techniques that we perform maximize the amount of hairs that we can obtain from the strip, as well as minimizes the amount of transection and damage to the follicles of the donor site. And second of all is the size of the grafts that we use. There is no one-size-fits-all graft that is employed with the FUT. So we create the appropriate size grafts with the appropriate amount of follicles in each one to fit what you need. In that way, it maximizes the amount of density and also makes you look the most natural. And that's one of the big goals as well too. So that in essence is the HUE. There is also the HUE Plus, which is the same procedure, same technique. However, we try to obtain even more area from the donor, which allows us even more follicles and hairs to use. So feel free to reach out if you have any other questions. We'd love to chat and help you along your journey. Take care. Thanks.